Oh, is it open? You don't need an umbrella. Why do you need an umbrella? It's what?
Some stopping on my nose and toes in my mouth.
Well, that's what snow is supposed to do. Let's go and take a look at the fire. You play in the snow? Zelia, what do you think? What do you think? Gotta clean off the swings. Zelia, what do you think of the snow? You like the snow? Is it warm? Is the snow warm?
What is it?
Is that where you sit?
Daddy, can you push me?
But I'm videoing you. Ready for a push? Buddy, you were waiting a long time for snow, weren't you? How long were you waiting for snow?
For a long time ago.
Can you do it? Can't do it? Can you get up there, Zelia?
You have to go, and then you have to wait for snow. And you have to sink in a video. Keep scanning in the fire. We already have a fire. Then we have wood as can be, and then logs too. One, a big one, and the snowing slide. Daddy, you have to. Daddy, cute. Daddy, cute.
Do you need help? Say, I need some help, please.
Help, please. Daddy,
You can go on this one.
no.
You can go up on this one. On the slide.
Uh-huh.
Tell me first what you think of the snow. What do you think of the snow? What do you think of the snow? Do you like the snow?
Uh-huh, I like it too. What's it? Outside. Up! Daddy! Up! No, that's the only
No more.
one.
You don't want to go up higher?
No. Daddy, can you pull Ow, Daddy, ow.
Oh, you want off?
Uh-huh.
Say yes, please.
What's it? Oh, that made of snow.
It's a what again?
It's a round circle bar with round circle bar with
And what is that called?
It's a snowball.
Snowball. What do you do with snowballs?
You throw it.
What?
You throw it and then it drops on the ground, and then you have to make another one when it drops on the ground. It breaks and then you make another one.
Maybe you can make a snowball with the stuff on with the snow that's on the table.
It's snow.
The snow on the table over there. See if there's enough snow on the table. No, don't dump that's ice. Yeah. Here, get the snow off it. Rake it. No, don't do that. Go like this. Yeah, there we go. Watch. You make a big bunch. No, don't throw it on the ground. Now make it, get it in your hands. Get it in your hands.
Okay.
And make a round ball.
I
You can't?
can't. I can't.
Huh. You want me to make it for you?
Can you make it for me, Baba?
Here, Azalea. Snowball. Hold it. Get it. 2 hands.
Daddy, I made.
2 hands, Azalea.
Daddy, I made a snowball. Daddy, I made a snowball.
Zoe, here's a snowball on the ground right here. Azalea, show her. Get it. You gotta pick it up.
I can't.
Gotta do 2 hands. Slippery. Alright. Alright. It didn't break?
Stomp on it like that.
Oh, is that what you're supposed to do?
Stomp really hard to make a snowball. Let's do it like that.
That's dirt, Azalea.
Oh,
Yeah, yucky, yucky, yucky.
Daddy.
Well, on the table, get this chair off the table. That way, if there's enough snow tonight.
That's Mommy's chair.
That's Mommy's chair?
That's my Mommy's chair.
Is there gonna be a lot of snow tonight, you think? Or just a little bit?
I think a lot of it. I think a lot of it, Daddy. It's snowing a lot. It makes snow things, Daddy.
Makes snow things you can draw in the snow.
I can't. Just making.
Watch this. Zoe, watch this. Ready? What did I do?
You made my name.
What? How do you spell it?
Zoe. Zoe.
Very good.
Egg. Big egg. Daddy, I don't know how to make like a snowball.
Snowboat?
Egg.
What?
Egg.
Oh, you made one? What is that?
Egg.
An egg?
Then 2 eggs, Daddy. Here's not making eggs. Look, Daddy. Here's making tails.
Hills?
Tails. 1 tail. A tail. Daddy, you have to use the snow that you already colored on.
Oh, okay.
You have to make something. You have to make something.
What are you gonna make?
I don't know.
I don't know. Look at all the snow, Zoe. There's lots of snow.
Daddy. Oh.
This is what you wanted, didn't you?
I wanted snow.
Do you like it?
Oh, Daddy, snow can stick. Snow can stick together.
Yeah, it can.
Daddy, look. Look.
Don't go in there. That's water. He already broke off all the ice, so it's just water in there. Don't put your hands in there. Say yes, Daddy. No, don't put your boots in there either. Hey, Zoe. Say yes, Daddy. No, say it loud. Look at my eyes.
Yes, Daddy.
That's very good.
wish I could smell, but I was